Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly change your bank account details on TurboTax. So first is of course head over to TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, from your progress bar, just click whatever button is available that will take you to your dashboard. Next, in the left panel, scroll down and click on File. And from here, you can see three steps that you have to complete. The option to change your bank account information is actually here on step 2. Now for you to get into this step, of course, you have to start first on step 1. Just click on the start button and head over and go through all the on-screen prompts. So in here, you have to pay for TurboTax and just provide in your credit or debit card number to proceed, and of course your billing address. Then once done, you just have to proceed and click on confirm payment. You can also just type in a service code if you have one. So from there, you basically have to proceed until you reach the refund or payment screen. Now, if you're getting a refund, you'll see an option to direct deposit. And if you owe tax, you'll see an option to pay from your bank account. And from there, just enter in your new routing and account number, double check the numbers, and lastly, continue through filing and submit your return. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!